Welcome back to this channel. I am starting the complete blogging course with AI. In this course, you will learn all the methods, tips, and tricks. It will be the best course because I will teach you from scratch. So first check this AdSense dashboard. I have got this approval in only a month. If you want also to get approval, so watch the full course. Also, check this. I have got the Google News approval, which increases your ranking. So in this video, I am going to show you how to get your desired domain. First open a new tab and search for Lean Domain Search. Now scroll down and open the second website. Here, you have to write your keyword, on which or combination you want your domain, like I am writing tech. Now see, it has given all the domains available for us. Now I will tell you how you will check the most rankable and premium domain. Scroll down and check the domain you like. Now write that domain on Google. Now check there are many domains for this keyword, so we cannot use this one. We have to find only that domain on which no other domain is ranking. We can also choose that domain, which there is only a YouTube video or Facebook page. Now search for another one. Now again, write the domain on Google and press enter. Now see, on this domain, there is only a one website, which is ranking, but you can also choose it because there is only one website and a Facebook page, so you can choose it. But I want again a domain on which no domain is ranking, so we have to search more. I have another name, Tech Black Box. Now see, it also have only one website. Ranking in a YouTube video, you can also work on it. I have one more name now, by which you will understand more better. Now see, there is no exact domain on this keyword. Also, there is no website ranking on it. This is the exact match. By this method, you can get high rankable domain for free. Now we can check this domain on Namecheap, so you can buy from that platform. You can also use Hostinger and more. Now check this premium domain is available on this platform. You can buy from here. I hope you like this method, so please like, share, and subscribe the channel. And also hit the bell icon so that we will learn, earn, and grow together. One more thing, if you have budget problem, so you can also buy it from Hostinger. It is giving it in only $16.99 for 1 year.